In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT Unusual Activity Detected Error 2026 Guide email. So this message usually means the security system thinks your session, browser, or network is behaving like an automated tool. The fix is to make your session clean, your browser quiet, and your network trustworthy. Let's walk through it clearly and calmly so you can get back to work. Start with a secure session reset. Click your profile icon and log out. After that, close the browser tab completely so the old session is not reused. Reopen the site and sign back in. If you usually use single sign-on with a provider like Google, Apple, or Microsoft, make sure you authenticate with the exact same account you originally registered with. This forces a fresh token and often clears the flag right away. Next, isolate invasive browser extensions. Background scripts from aggressive ad blockers, auto refreshers, or scraping tools can look like bot traffic. Open a private or incognito window with Ctrl plus Shift N on Windows or CMD plus Shift N on a Mac and try accessing the site there. If the error disappears in incognito, go to your extension dashboard, Chrome, Flash extensions, or your browser's equivalent, and temporarily disable privacy, scraping, or script modifying add-ons. Turn them back on one at a time, testing as you go to find which one is triggering the security check. If you still see the error, clear, stale, site-specific cookies. Head to your browser's privacy and security settings and open the area for managing site data. Search for entries related to OpenAI and ChatGPT, then delete those cookies. This targeted purge refreshes cryptographic checks without signing you out of every other website you use. Now, audit your network and VPN. Shared or high traffic IPs, especially from VPNs, proxies, or privacy relays, can be blacklisted. Turn off any anonymizers and try again. If that doesn't help, switch networks to refresh your IP. Move from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, or vice versa. If you were running heavy queries or automated workflows, wait 10 to 15 minutes so rate limits can reset before you retry. Finally, synchronize your system time. Secure handshakes rely on precise timestamps. In your device settings, enable set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Even a small clock drift can invalidate tokens and trigger the unusual activity sensor. That's it. By resetting your session, quieting extensions, cleaning site cookies, verifying your network, and syncing your clock, you address the most common root causes quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into ChatGPT without interruptions.